If you have something similar to me, like a 3.5-liter V6 Toyota Highlander, so they use the same engine on Camrys, and probably other Toyota vehicles, it's very easy to do yourself. You don't need to pay someone to service it. I'll do this in under 1 minute. So go to your glove box, push these two sides in, and then you could remove your glove box. There's a little arm that comes off here on the bottom. And then, let me show you in the back here, there's a, not very visible, but if you pull this flap down, it's a little plastic flap in the back, you'll feel it. And there are two little clips you hold on to. Let's see if I can show you. Press down, you'll feel the clips. So it looks like this. You press these two clips in and you pull it out and you'll see this is up. Okay, and then all you got to do is reach in there and pull out the old cabin air filter. See, every year or 20,000 miles, you got all this crust and junk. Can be causing odors. Trash. Get your new filter, the A premium filter. You can see the airflow is going down to follow the old filter, and you just do the reverse. So slip it in. If you can just see it there. Press it in. Make sure this is showing up. Press it back into place until you hear the snap. Well, you can't really hear it, but you can feel it. It's back in place. Close the flap back up. There's the click. This part's a little tricky. I'm going to do it with keeping everything in the bottom. You'll see at the bottom here, there are 4 little feet at the bottom that connect to the 4 little gaps here. So you just press that into place, hold it there, and then make sure the arm here on the right is loose so you can go up into this panel gap here on the right. Push in. That's it. Put everything back in your glove box and you're done. Cabin air filter is done. You don't have to pay anyone else to do it. Just buy the part, do it yourself in under 5 minutes. If you like these type of reviews, I hope this was helpful. Consider following the channel. I have many reviews like this. Thank you.